Let's make a DIY bobbin frame. For this project you'll need photo frames, wooden half bobbins, wood glue, spray undercoat and gloss coloured spray paint. Start by giving the frames a quick sand down. This will help the glue adhere to the frame. Then you can glue down your wooden bobbins. It's also handy to do a quick test run without the glue to get an idea of how many bobbins you can fit down each side of your frame. Wait for the glue to dry completely before moving on to painting. In a well-ventilated area, pop down a drop sheet and then you can spray on your undercoat. We're using Dulux Duramax. One coat of this should be fine unless your frame underneath is a dark colour. After drying, you can pop on 1 to 2 coats of colour until you get a lush, glossy finish. We use Dulux Duramax in Gloss Vivid White and Gloss Hot Lips. With spray paint, it's always advisable to build up your colour with thinner, consistent coats to avoid any runs. Pop your photos back in the frame and then you're done. So easy and such a fun DIY. More Christmas projects coming up. Stay tuned.